numbers are out here, up through having the run-up done as well. Underway this time. That one just leaps on Jamieson a little bit. Top edge, no slip in place, and on the up goes Jamieson, slicing away and wide of the fielder at deep backward point for a boundary. Just a little overpitched from Kanto Stafford on that occasion, and Jamieson's not going to.
Your players will be aware of the field dimensions here, Daniel, that probably is the shortest part of the boundary.
Bowled him! And that's a big breakthrough. He gets his senior international captain.
Yeah, doesn't he love it, the emotion you can see in Kanto Stafford.
After losing his opening partner. And goes hard over the rope for 6. I don't think he got all of it, but enough muscle in the right hander there to...
Shot of the day so far. Glorious shot over cover's head. Just watched it sail over the rope. Probably
gone, is he? Yes!
got him.
Completely done the Aussie marquee, and maybe a little bit premeditated from Jamieson. Didn't get to the pitch of the ball. Not that Tony Kelly minds too much, but more potent than him. It's gone high up. There's a chance. A man underneath it. It looks like Tony Kelly again. Holds on. Gets his man.
Took forever to come down, but positioned himself well, did Tony Kelly. And
it's a little tickle to the keeper. Miyauchi takes the catch. West Kanto in cruise control. Yeah, tucked him up, and yeah, clearly off the face of the bat. A little bit of extra bounce for Drake too. I want to bring up about that Oman tournament. Talk about it in a second. Free hit. Carved over the leg side for 6. A lot of power in that swing from Ibi Takahashi. It looked like it might have cramped him up a little bit there, but still had the power.
yeah, it's a great shot, wasn't it? First up.
In that Oman jacket, previous tournaments as well. Over the top. If he chats of 2, in the end it won't matter because it'll roll over the rope for 4. Good way to finish for...
Yeah, Drake last year doing some work for the JCA.
Oh, and that's a great delivery, hurrying him up. Going to roll to the rope. We'll await the signal. Maybe a little tickle past the keeper for 4.
Watching the replay here. But yeah, he was probably spent 6, perhaps 8 months in Japan.
Well, free hit here. Sliced away. This will be tough chasing. He won't get there. Taking their hands on the last day and just dropped their bundle. This has been swatted into the offside, and it's been hit so hard, it's a no doubt 6. The fielder at deep cover.
Yeah, it's all timing, isn't it? Didn't look to overhit it. Just
And if that was to happen at the other end, the T-room's in danger. Full toss. There is a man out running across, but again, all he can do is watch.
Benjamin Ethel Davis accelerating now through to 36 of 23 balls. It's over 150 strike rate. It's just what the doctor ordered for his Kanto. Shukla, Adam standing this end.
Oh, this has been launched. It's gone very high though, and Ozeki, it's just gone for 6. He did misjudge the catch opportunity. Had he been on the rope, there might have been a chance. Takahashi put plenty of power into this one.
Yeah, you've called it right, Daniel. He just misjudged that, didn't he? Just ran in probably 3-4 meters. They would have played a bit together. And I think the last time Ibi Takahashi played for Chiba Sharks, this stone's gone long and for the full maximum. And
Partnership now 75 of 37 balls. Completely turned this game upside down, this partnership. We'll just ask a different question of these two in the middle who have become accustomed to the quick pace. Oh, and Ito Davis looks to launch. And launch he does. This one was 6 from the moment it came off the middle of his bat. Oh, goes again. Yeah, they've given up on it.
This is brilliant from Ito Davis. Brings up his 50. He does. And, geez, not too far short of a 100 partnership between these two either.
Swatted. And for 4. It was a tough one for the outfielder. The West Kanto Hurricanes, a couple of questions in the duck.
Some lovely clean strikes to all parts of the ground.
Drake versus Tony Kelly. Goes big. Watch out in the tea room.
And
yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Outside edge, they should collect another boundary. Slice of fortune for the Hurricanes. On the up, sliced over Point, who's been forced to run back and bowled him. He's finally found his rhythm. Sajid, that's the breakthrough that East Kanto so desperately needed. Full toss. He might have picked out the fielder though.
yeah,
And he has. It's under the waist.
but good catch.
Yeah, Swan. Over the top, straight. Aiming for the sight screen. He's missed it, but not by a lot. 4 to the total. 6 hours time. On the up, Yamamoto Lake wide of mid-on. For 4.
A seamless shot from Moto Lake. Just taking a bit longer than usual from probably getting used to this wicket.
New bowler in. Misfit of Boston. Self one. And then Mikel.
Goes for a third time. This time connects and connects in a perfect placement for 4 runs.
Player of the match today. The opportunity. Oh, chance. Oh, mix up. He's gone. He got a little bit unlucky there, Yamamoto Lake. The ball actually struck the stumps on the other end. Ito Davis picked up and good calm and presence of mind to complete this run out. This, he palmed it onto the stumps.
And 3rd and 4th playoff.
On the full. Oh, for a moment. It might have been fingertips action at mid-wicket for 4. I think I just heard that brush.
Yeah, I reckon you're right.
Standing catch I've ever seen. Just not quite finding his rhythm there.
Yeah, cameraman just unable to pick that up. But
understandably. Quiet. Oh, has he picked out the man at mid-off? He's gone. A very subdued wicket celebration that from the East Kanto side. It's an early strike for Abhishek Anand, who picks up a wicket with his first ball. Benjamin Ito Davis completes the catch, so John Slater as well. Might have just found the fielder drops. Takada, tough one. Well, he's gone aerial, but there is a man running in. And the catch is held on to comfortably, grateful into the chest. Ends Muhammad Ali's day. And Lily Tail picks up a key wicket.
You can understand that from Ali. He was looking to get some momentum with the use of his feet. So,
Has he picked out the man, Kanto Stafford? Yes, good catch. And that could be the final nail in the coffin. Michael Davis. Again with the golden arm. Big sweep shot first. Ball's been given out, stumped. And Benjamin Ethel Davis can do no wrong, it seems.
keeping the outside of the back, Hugo Tani looking to play it out onto the onside.
Just here to win this game of cricket without him. Listen to the offside. He needs to take the new batter. Top edge. And a simple one for the captain to take, albeit running over the synthetic. There'll be someone else writing the match report today.
No, teammate Chihaya Arakawa, both Sano lads, who are playing the cricket here.
That has been murdered.
Stunning shot.
Well, I'll tell you what, that's a great signal. West Kanto knowing that when they're back to full strength,
North Kanto Lions.
bowled. Stumps are made a mess of. East Kanto now. Ryan Drake at number 11. And he might have just found mid-off. So East Kanto Sunrisers enjoy victory in the early session here on day one, and they satisfyingly do it, bowling out their opposition inside 15 overs. West Kanto for...
Yeah, the match was set up really from 15 overs and then 15. They had them in a good position at the halfway point.